How to make a second YouTube channel on Android. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a second YouTube channel on Android devices. It's a bit complicated as YouTube does not allow you to create a second channel from their mobile app, but don't worry, as I figured out a solution that 100% works. So follow along closely. So you want to open your Chrome browser or any other browser on your Android device in incognito mode. Then you want to search for youtube.com. It will take you to the mobile app. What you need to do is get on the desktop site. So you want to click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner and check the box where it says desktop site. You will then have access to YouTube's desktop site. So next what you want to do is click the icon on the upper right to sign into the account you would like to make the second YouTube channel from. Once you're signed in, you want to click on your profile pic, then switch account, then view all channels. Under all channels, you'll find an option, create channel. You want to click on that, enter your new channel name, click the confirmation box and click create. And that's how to make a second YouTube channel on Android.